Cracking the Code of Irony, the Art of Situational Irony in Storytelling. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our series on storytelling and jokes. Today we are going to dive into a fascinating topic: using situational irony in jokes and storytelling. Situational irony is a powerful tool that can bring humor, surprise, and depth to your stories and jokes. So, let's get started. Before we dive into using situational irony, let's understand what it is. Situational irony is when the actual outcome of a situation is completely opposite to what was expected. It's when reality flips on its head, and we're left surprised or even laughing. A famous example is the story of a fire station burning down. People expect fire stations to be the last place to catch fire because it's where firefighters are, yet the opposite happens. That's situational irony. Situational irony can be a very effective tool for enhancing your storytelling and jokes. It adds an element of surprise that catches the audience off guard, and that unexpected twist often leads to laughter or deep thought. Moreover, it can add layers to your characters and situations, making your stories more engaging and complex. Now, let's discuss how to use this powerful tool. The first step in creating situational irony is to set up an expectation. This could be a character's intention, a common cliché, or a logical outcome. The next step is to break that expectation with a completely unexpected outcome, flipping the situation on its head. For example, imagine a character who is late for work, driving recklessly to make it on time, only to arrive and realize it's their day off. The expected outcome was that they would rush into work, but the reality was they didn't have to rush at all. Remember, the key to effective situational irony is the contrast between the expectation and reality. The greater the contrast, the more impactful the irony. Let's look at a couple of examples of situational irony and jokes. 1. I stayed up all night to see where the sun went, then it dawned on me. In this joke, the expected outcome is that the person would find out where the sun went. But the reality, it dawned on me, is a play on words, as it refers to both the realization and the sunrise, creating situational irony. 2. A man who is a traffic cop gets his license suspended for unpaid parking tickets. This is ironic because a traffic cop, who is supposed to enforce the law, breaks it himself, creating a contrast between expectation and reality. We hope you've enjoyed this exploration of situational irony in jokes and storytelling. It's a powerful tool that can bring surprise, humor, and depth to your work. So, why not try incorporating it into your next story or joke? Remember, set up an expectation, then flip it on its head with an unexpected outcome. Happy writing, and we'll see you in our next video.